I'm not joking with the artificial limbs, come on.
Yeah. Sometimes you will feel some.
So that's artificial.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, and that's why it's more empty. Or,
yeah, I can understand why you call it empty. Yeah.
It looks more empty. Well,
Yeah.
it's
Really?
more.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. What else do we see here?
Your left shoulder is a little bit tight.
Her left shoulder, so that you can see from there. So don't check her left shoulder.
Yeah.
So even if I felt a lot on the right side initially, we probably go to the left side very quickly on this body. Also, if you want, you can join in and hold something. I was also looking at her hands, but before I was touching it, this was up a little bit.
Yeah.
And this indicates, you see, a 23. So please check her 23.
Again?
23 again, yeah. Yeah.
Why does it point?
Right here.
Why does it point out 20?
In the depth, there's this chart with all the vertebrae, and this has to do with the stomach.
Okay.
Stomach flow.
The pulse.
And also chest line, waistline, hip line. Well, 23 is waistline actually. It has to do more with the stomach energy.
And what does
Yeah.
it tell you about the stomach energy?
Well, I just saw it that it was up a little bit. So then you can check the 23s.
Oh, okay.
So check the 23s, everybody. Go and feel.
A little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A little heavy? Mm-hmm.
I think we're better sit down.
You can sit down, yeah. And let's take a look at her hands, if we see anything. Do you remember the tips tell you about chest line, waistline, hip line? What do you see? Chest line?
Chest line.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mostly chest line?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. This one also looks a little empty to me.
Yeah.
The ring finger. So that could be umbilicus need.
Yeah. And a bit more color in the top of the fingers, but I don't know if that's.
Deze twee.
Deze drie. These three. Mm-hmm.
But this
And less
sounds more.
She was saying herself 13 sequence sounded good to her. 13. So that you would see that in the fingertips. And you were saying here? So her body's starting to talk more now as we're talking about it, and as it's surfacing more, coming more to the surface.
Oh.
So do you see any of the knuckles?
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
these two.
Yeah.
This one.
More on this side, right?
Yeah.
So 10-9. Okay, 10-9-2. So can you check her 9s and her 10s, please? Casper, on that side. How that feels? You can hold her 4s if you want to have a little session. She can use it. Yeah, of course. What do you feel in the 10 and the 9? 9 more?
Yeah,
9 more. And so which knuckle do you see more? This one? So a 10 flow would be really nice because then you go and clear the 10 first and then you go to the 9.
Okay.
You know, with the 1s. And also I'm just looking at her thumb, but I see it's a little bit, like a little bit of a, yeah?
Yes.
You see? Yeah, and I see the same on her big toe, the same form. So that's also chest line, the first, a little bit here. And here also, like here, that's also chest line. Yeah, the tops of her toes are speaking the most. You see that? They're the most round. Yeah, or they're the fullest, they're the most round.
Is that all 13?
Yeah, yes.
But all these notes don't mean the bones. because they are all bones.
Yeah, we're all a bag of bones.
Because no,